Yep.
Right, this is South Wales angling. We've just got a koi carp. Right, so after landing that fish, we've just been waiting here for half hour and we've had no action. So let me just walk you through my stuff. So I've got a chocolate carp bait, and that's out on a method feeder. I got a chair as a stand, and over there Tyler's using boilies, and chucking out crushed up boilies. So yeah, we're down here today. That's the big lake. Over there is the medium-sized lake. But yeah, it's been pretty quiet. But next time I get a fish on, I'm gonna record it.
Not focusing. No, it's good. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, as I was saying in the video, this was a really tough fighting fish. It turned out to be a really nice looking 8-pound carp. You know, we just had a blast catching it. It was bending my rod like crazy, and I trimmed this right down, and it actually turned out to be a 10-minute. It took me 10 minutes reeling it in. I've trimmed it down to at least a minute of just pure good footage. So just this net in there reeling in. But yeah, we had a whale of a time with the koi carp and the little bream and other carp we caught. I had a total of 8, and sadly Tyler didn't get any, but I'll just let you guys enjoy the rest. Right. Here we go, guys. It's our carp. Oh, he's fighting for ages, he was. Where's he to?
It's in the bottom lip.
Try and get it out.
I think I got it now. Oh,
Right.
he's unupped.
Do you want to film him?
No.
He's posing for us as well.
Yeah.
Alright, go on. Go on there. Oh, he's big.
He is a
This one's probably
big boy.
10 pound, I reckon. Maybe a bit smaller.
Quick,
He calm nose, I think. That. Here you go.
there it is. God, yeah.
Fighting for ages.
Bloody hell.
Can you see, is it still filming?
Yeah.
Right. Can you take a photo of it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just come in now, a couple of hours ago, and yeah, we had a brilliant day. Anyone who just wants to start fishing, just go down there, get yourself a rod. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'll be uploading every Sunday night, even though it's a Wednesday, I know, but I just went fishing today, so yeah, I'll be uploading every Sunday night. It's been South Wales Angling. I'll see you next time. Bye.